It was a great day to ride. I thought I'd share some video of a ride I did in February in Lake County, Michigan. Some on private drive and some on the trails, trail marker 3 in Michigan, Lake County, Michigan. The video's been sped up a little bit too, so I'm really not going this fast. And if you see me cross lanes, it's because I have good visibility ahead, so I know if there's any oncoming traffic. But I sped up the video just so you can get an idea of what it looks like. I love the trees with the snow stuck to them, and this winter we had a lot of snow stuck to the trees in February, so it's kind of cool. So enjoy. Go for a trail ride with me real quick here without getting cold, and like a nice little speedy ride. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to join me in one of my little mini adventures, and I appreciate the likes, and please subscribe and share if you know anybody else that might be interested in similar videos. Thank you.